If you're a drummer and you're stuck playing the same fills over and over again, and you're mostly playing it safe with the bands that you're playing with, stick around in this video because I'm going to share 3 fills that will change how you play fills forever. And by the way, this is not for beginners. Hey everyone, Eddie here. I hope you're doing well. If you're a drummer and you've been stuck playing those same fills again and again, and you feel kind of repetitive and kind of hate it to play safe every time when you get the chance to play a drum fill or maybe a short drum solo, this video is really going to help you because I'm going to share 3 fills that will change how you play your fills forever. And it's actually 3 fills that you should be playing, that every drummer kind of should be playing, but not a lot of drummers talk about it because they think it's too much. But it's not. You should be playing these fills, and they're not that hard. Let's dive in. So the 3 fills that we're playing today are in 16th notes, and the first fill of the day is going to be groups of 3 in 16th notes. And the pattern is right, left, left, playing the right hand as an accent and the lefts as a ghost notes. So with groups of 3, we can play the group of 3 5 times, giving us 15 notes plus 1 note, making 16 notes for a 1-bar fill. Here's the example at 60 BPM. Now, of course, these fills really get interesting when you start moving your right hand around the drum kit, creating these different melodies around the toms. So the way to practice this is get comfortable on your snare drum, then only when you're comfortable moving in and out of a 1-bar fill, start moving your right hand around the toms. Fill number 2, groups of 5. And the pattern is right, left, left. So it's only an extra right, left in front of your group of 3. Nothing new. Now with groups of 5, we can play it 3 times, giving us 15 notes, plus 1 note, gives us again 16 notes in total. Here's the example on my snare at 60 BPM. Now again, it gets really interesting when you start moving your hands around the toms. But with this grouping, we actually have 2 accents. So we can move those right hands per group of 5, or we could just sporadically move that right hand around the toms any way we want to. Build it up slowly. That sounds pretty cool already, right? It gives totally different melodies than the standard. So fill number 3 of today is groups of 7. The pattern is right, left, left. Just another right, left in front of your group of 5. Now the way we're playing groups of 7 is we play it 2 times, giving us 14 notes, plus 2 single strokes, giving us 16 notes in total. Here's the example on my snare at 60 BPM. Pretty awesome, right? Here's a few examples at a little higher speed to show you what you can do with it and how it sounds. right, that's it for today. I hope this really helped. Let me know in the comments if this is working for you or if you need more assistance in building this capacity to play different groupings in 16th notes. It's going to give you a lot of options. So in next episodes, we'll be discussing how we can use different patterns of the 3, 5, and 7 to create epic fills. There's endless possibilities. Get to practice, and I'll see you in the next one.